Okay, guys. Ugh. Going to get a birch out from behind the back of my house. Whew. My four-wheeler I had to bring to the shop today. It had something major wrong with it. I don't know what's going on with it, but it's in the shop. Rick had something to do today, so he said, just come get my four-wheeler. Well, I'm spoiled because my four-wheeler has power steering and automatic. This one's got a standard in it. It's just like the difference between night and day. So I'm trying to get used to his four-wheeler, but I'm going back to grab this other birch crotch we got back here. So stick with me. Get another video made. Put it on the board. Help Rick out. And then we're going to start sawing. Okay, guys. So we're headed out of the woods. Got a nice birch log on here. Start cutting it up. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. Today, the old Hud-son Oscar 330 Pro is going to be cutting up this gnarly birch. Just got this pulled out of the woods. This thing is crooked, got a crotch, got knots. Oh, it's a mess. But that's usually the prettiest wood. So, all right, guys, I'm gonna get you set up over here on the stack, and I'm gonna get a cut. All right, we're gonna let the mill warm up for just a second, and then we're gonna start getting cutting, guys. Hang in there. Try and get this flat, and then that way I can flip her over. Alright, so I cut down quite a bit. I'm going to go ahead and pull these off, roll it over 180 degrees and go from the other side. Look at the grain in this. That is beautiful. Beautiful birch. This thing's been down about 2 years. Look at this. Looks like a little bit of spalting right here. That is some cool looking grain, guys. Okay guys, that's everything right there cut up. Let me get a little bit of this cleaned up and we'll cut it in half and we'll take a look at it. Isn't that absolutely beautiful? Let me hold that up for you. That look cool. Look at that. That is beautiful. That's a birch, guys. A yellow birch or a paper birch, whatever you want to call it. That's pretty. Takes a licking and it keeps on ticking. Okay, so that one is done, and that is on the trailer. So an old crappy birch is sitting out in the woods for firewood is now more than likely going to bring us about 100 to 120 to 130 bucks. And I was only working on this for about 30 minutes. Okay guys, that's going to end it for this video. If you like our stuff, give us a thumbs up. Tell us what you think. And don't forget to hit that notifications bell so you don't miss any of our future videos. And subscribe to us. We appreciate each and every single of our subscribers. Each and every one of our subscribers. So hey, you know what? Got nothing to do? Sit down and watch our stuff. And always from here at Fort Hud-son, we thank you. So until the next time, we will catch you later. Bye-bye now.